how to use Midjourney AI free. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how you can use Midjourney to create amazing AI art for free. Now over here we're at midjourney.com and we're going to scroll down and we can see everything about Midjourney over here. We can see what it is all about, like Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thoughts and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. We can also see the executives over here. We could see the advisors, the research engineering, legal finance, community management, and different other information. Now, before we get started, I want to show you a showcase of all the different images produced by Midjourney using user prompts. By clicking this option over here, we would be redirected to the community showcase where we can see all the different images created by the community using Midjourney. As you can see, everything is super highly detailed. You can see different arts, you can see different styles. You would not believe that an AI was capable of generating such arts. You would think this is captured by a professional camera, but no, this is created by Midjourney AI. Same with this photo over here of a rose. And as you can see, each and every picture is unique and has its own different style in each photo. Now we can scroll back up to the top and we can click this top options over here, which will show us the top rated community images created by our users. Here we have a Greek god on this first image. We have clouds overflowing into a room. We have an entire building, an entire skyscraper turned into an aquarium. There's also a universe in a glass, a cowboy, and a lot of other images that are super realistic and super high in detail. So now I'm going to teach you how we can create images just like this on our own. Now we're going to go back to the home page and then we're going to click on the join beta option over here. Now this will redirect us to Discord and we're simply going to click on accept invite. Now over here, we are redirected to the Discord server of Midjourney. Now we're at the home and we can see that other users are also posting their results over here in this part of the Discord server. You can see here we have the different styles and different images that they have created. And to start creating your own, we need to simply go over here into the newcomers room, just like this one. We're going to click this. And now we are in the room where we can create prompts and the AI will generate the image for us. If you notice, there's also a lot of people using this room right now. And because there are so many people, it's going to be hard to keep track of your images because new images are being generated every second. So I'm going to teach you how you can also Midjourney robot in your own server. Now the first thing we're going to do is go here on the left side and then we're going to click on add a server. We're going to click on create my own for me and my friends and then name your server testing server and then we're going to click on create. Now we're going to go back to Midjourney and then we're going to click on our Midjourney bot over here. We're clicking him and then we're going to see this option add server. We're simply going to click this, click on select a server, then choose the server you want to add the bot into. Now we're going to click on continue, authorize, and then confirm that you are not a robot. And then now we can go to our server over here. And as we can see, we have Midjourney robot over here. Now the first thing we're going to do is start it up by typing in a prompt, simple prompt, so that we can set up our Midjourney robot. Now, as you can see, Midjourney is working like normal, just like how it would on this Midjourney server over here. But you won't be confused with the amount of images being created and that you would be able to easily keep track on your images by simply having the bot on your own server. Now I'm going to teach you, now we're going to create our own image by simply typing slash imagine, and then we can put any idea that we want. For example, I'm typing a turtle as a glacier, enormous glacier. And then I'm going to teach you how to add extra commands to your prompt by simply adding dash dash before. This will use the version 4 of Midjourney, which is much more realistic than the other versions. I'm also going to add the command dash dash q, and then then pick from 1 to 5, wherein 1 is the lowest quality to 5 where is the highest quality, and then simply click on enter. As you can see, we made a mistake typing it in, so we're going to do it again. Imagine prompt turtle as a enormous glacier. I'm going to do dash dash space v4 dash dash q space q5, then enter. We're simply going to wait for Midjourney to create our image just for us. Now, as you can see, Midjourney is now starting to create our image over here. It's currently 31%, and just like that, our images are rated. Now we're going to click on this, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to pick an image that we like the most. I like this one on the bottom right the most, so I'm going to select the U4, which means this image over here. And Midjourney will enlarge that image and maybe even make it more better than earlier. Now, as you can see, our image has now been enlarged, and we can simply right click this and we can save our image, and then we can use it for whatever we want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on to this picture over here by simply clicking this and then copying the image address, and then we're going to do the prompt once again, imagine, then prompt, then we're going to paste the image address over there, and we can add more information. We can make it into style, we can make it into ink style, and then we could do another extra command by typing dash dash stylize, then hit enter. Then we're going to wait for it once again. As you can see, Midjourney tried to stylize our image over here, which made the photo much more weirder. But you get the gist of it. That's how you can create different images using Midjourney. And of course, everything is totally free using Discord. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.